John has saved up $3,000 for his summer trip to Europe. If he only had 20% of his savings left over after the trip, then how much money did John spend during his trip? You have options $600, $800, $1,200, $2,000 and $2,400. Let's read our questions once again. John has saved up $3,000 for a summer trip to Europe. If he only had 20% of his savings left over, then how much money did John spend during his trip? He has only 20% of his savings left over, means he spent 80% of his money. 20% is left over means he spent 80% of his money. 80% of 3,000. What his savings? $3,000. The question is, how much money did John spend during his trip? So you have to find 80% of $3,000. How to find 80% of $3,000? 80%. Percent means part over 100. 80 over 100 of means multiplication 3,000. 80% of 3,000. 80 over 100 times 3,000. So let's simplify this. You can just simply cross out 2 zeros here. 3,000 is nothing but 3,000 over 100. So you can just cross out these 2 zeros. Here what is left? 80 times 30. This is 1 times 1, 1 itself. So we only have to find 80 times 30. What is 80 times 30? 2,400. 8 times 3 is 24 and there are 2 zeros, $2,400. How much money did John spend during his trip? $2,400. That's option E. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.